Good morning, Joan of Arc here at Camp John Hay in Baguio City. We're starting off another day of touring, so come with me and let's check out interesting places here in Baguio for a day. Welcome, Choco-late de Batirol. Nice cafe for your early morning breakfast. This is the alfresco setting and we are there outside. Cooler out here. Wow, it's cozy inside. Chocolate or chocolate? Chocolate. So it's a play on word chocolate, like chocolate latte. And also the Filipinos pronounce it as chocolate. More rooms out here. There are shops here at the camp and also golf courses, hotels. Look at this hill. Ano pong tawag dyan sa bundok na yan?
Quirino Hill, ma'am.
Quirino Hill.
Yes.
Ito yung mga pinakaunang mga settlements po dito?
Hindi naman, ma'am.
Hindi naman.
Actually, ma'am, ano yan? Nag-squat yung
mga tao dyan, binili nila.
Na-award na sa kanila na.
Na-award na din. This is the project of the artists here where they painted all the houses with beautiful colors. This was in the news. Strawberry fields forever! That's the strawberry fields of La Trinidad here in Benguet province. It's not just the strawberry fields, but also they have salad greens, broccoli, spinach, and cauliflower, and souvenir shops. Done. Okay, we're going that way because they've run out of strawberries there. Mostly the people there are just sightseeing. So our guide here will lead us on a 5-minute walk where there are more strawberries to pick. We're headed out to pick strawberries. I can already smell the strawberries. And we're going to where there are more strawberries to pick. And interesting smell. Strawberry fields forever. So if you come in groups, you can pick strawberries for a minimum fee of 450 per group. So we have rows and rows of strawberries. But we're still headed there where there are more strawberries. It's hot out here because it's almost noon, but the air is cool. So it's a nice balance of hot and cool. They are also growing salad greens.
Be more than 1 kilo?
Yeah.
Of course.
Mga dahon para makita yung mga may malalaking buka sa ano.
Okay. So here we are going to pick some strawberries and fill up this basket. Push aside the leaves so you would be able to see here. This is strawberry. Wow. Okay, if you want to eat them right away, it's best to pick the big ones. But if you plan to take them home with you and they have to travel, better get the medium ones so they don't rot easily. Yay. Alright, so this is swampland. And alright. And then you're renting here. Alright. So this one is owned by a different owner and this one is owned by you.
Yes, ma'am, because actually one person only for 500 square meters.
Okay. So you're limited to only 500. You're going to bring this home with you and travel. So better pick those that are half ripe so they don't all rot at the same time. I've had my fill of strawberries. I think this is enough for me. I enjoyed it. But it's fun. Look at that.